dip in my pretzel rods in my white chocolate. Let them sit in there as we grab our sheet pan lined with wax paper. Now I'm gonna grab each pretzel rod covered in white chocolate and quickly place it on our wax paper, just like so. It's okay if you have a little bit of spillage. Extra chocolate never hurt nobody. These might look a little messy right now, but don't worry, we're gonna make them extra pretty. I have some blue candy melts, and I'm just gonna do a light drizzle right on top of our pretzels, just like so. It's okay if it gets on the non-white chocolate part. It's all gonna look so cute when we're finished, and I add that last little detail to them. The more color, the better. This is an Easter treat, and that's how I feel. Okay, perfect. Now, before the chocolate hardens, I'm gonna grab some fun Easter sprinkles, and we are just gonna do a light kind of sprinkle of our sprinkles. Look how cute these look. I mean, they do kind of look baby shower-ish, but trust me, by the time we're done with this, I'm gonna make them look so fun and festive. It's not just gonna be a chocolate-covered pretzel. The final touch is really what makes it ready for the Easter Bunny. Everyone's favorite Easter treat, Peeps. And you guys are probably wondering, what am I gonna do with these Peeps? And you guys will see. Let's start by just grabbing one little pink Peep, just like so. All right, I'm gonna turn this bunny around. I'm gonna grab some of our white chocolate that we use and just put like the smallest amount on its booty, just like so. And then that Peep is going on the top of our pretzel. Look how darling that is.
Oh, that's so cute.
And once that chocolate hardens, that Peep will just stand straight up on our little pretzel rod. And I have different colors. I'm gonna add some yellow so we can make this look more like spring and less like a baby shower. All right, one more color option. We have the purple. I didn't do the blue since we were doing the blue food coloring in the chocolate. Okay, all of our pretzels have their bunnies on there. Now we're just gonna pop this whole entire tray into the fridge for only 5 minutes. All right, the 5 minutes are up. Let's go ahead and just put this right to the side and bring in our little vase here. And we are going to slowly, oh, I guess we don't even need it to be slow. These are coming right off with the bunnies attached. And we're gonna place them right into our vase, just like so.
Look how cute they are.
You're making your little Easter bunny pretzel bouquet. And I did save some of that white chocolate just in case our bunnies decide to jump. We can save them. And if you have any of this excess little chocolate on the side, just break it off. You don't need it. It takes away from the bunny. Look how cute these are in our little vase. Isn't that fun for Easter? Such a cute little treat to make for church or for, you know, Easter morning. I'm just gonna grab one that's not in the bouquet and give it a try. How do I bite it? I mean, Peeps are always good.
Is it good?
Salty, sweet, crunchy, soft. Everything you want in a treat.